Have you ever wanted to make your own lipstick? It's fun and easy. Why buy lipstick when you can create your own? Today, I'm mixing, melting, and experimenting to craft a totally custom lipstick from scratch. Will it be a beauty masterpiece or a total mess? Let's find out. You can choose your own colors and ingredients, making it truly unique. In this essay, we will learn how to make DIY lipstick from scratch. Get ready to be creative and have fun. Making your own lipstick is like being an artist. You can create any color you want. From pretty pinks to spooky zombie shades, the possibilities are endless. Let's gather our ingredients and start mixing them together. Are you excited? I am! Let's get started on this colorful journey. To make your own lipstick, you will need a few things. Let's go through each ingredient and tool you'll need to create a perfect custom lipstick at home. First, you will need beeswax and candelilla wax. These natural waxes are essential for giving your lipstick its solid form and structure. These waxes will give your lipstick its shape. They melt easily and blend well with other ingredients, ensuring a smooth application. You will also need oils like castor oil and jojoba oil. These oils are crucial for moisturizing your lips and providing a glossy finish. These oils will make your lipstick smooth. They help in blending the pigments evenly and give a luxurious feel to the final product. Next, you will need some special ingredients. These will enhance the quality and longevity of your lipstick. Vitamin E will keep your lips healthy. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting your lips from damage and keeping them soft. Magnesium stearate will help your lipstick stick to your lips. It ensures that the color stays put for longer periods. Myristate is another ingredient that will make your lipstick smooth and creamy. It enhances the texture, making it easy to apply. Finally, you will need pigments to give your lipstick color. These pigments come in various shades and can be mixed to create custom colors. Iron oxides can create reds and yellows. They are natural and safe for use in cosmetics, providing vibrant and long-lasting color. Titanium dioxide makes a nice white base. It can also be used to lighten other colors and add opacity to your lipstick. Mica can add a touch of sparkle. It gives your lipstick a shimmering effect, making it perfect for special occasions or a glamorous look. Now let's make lipstick. Creating your own custom lipstick is a fun and creative process that allows you to have a unique shade tailored just for you. First, melt your waxes in a double boiler. This step is crucial as it ensures that the waxes blend smoothly, creating a solid base for your lipstick. Then, add your oils and stir gently. Oils not only add moisture but also help in achieving the desired consistency and texture for your lipstick. Once everything is melted, it's time to add your pigments. This is where the magic happens, as pigments give your lipstick its vibrant color. To make a blushing taupe shade, mix in titanium dioxide, red iron oxide, yellow iron oxide, and a pinch of mica for shimmer. These ingredients combine to create a beautiful, natural-looking color. For a spooky zombie look, reduce the warmth of blushing taupe and add a touch of purple, black, or gray. This combination gives a unique, edgy vibe perfect for special occasions or Halloween. Remember to mix your pigments well. Ensuring that the pigments are evenly distributed will give you a consistent color throughout your lipstick. Once you're happy with your color, pour the mixture into a lipstick mold. This step requires a steady hand to avoid any spills and to ensure the lipstick sets properly. Let it cool completely, and voila! You have your own custom lipstick. Enjoy your personalized creation and flaunt your unique shade with pride. Making your own lipstick has many benefits. Not only does it allow you to be creative, but it also ensures that you know exactly what goes into the product you're using on your lips. You can control the ingredients and create a product that is perfect for your lips. This is especially important for those with sensitive skin or allergies, as you can avoid harmful chemicals and additives. You can also save money and have fun experimenting with different colors and textures. The process of making your own lipstick can be a rewarding and enjoyable hobby. Remember the tips we discussed. Following these guidelines will help you achieve the best results. Use a double boiler to prevent scorching. This method ensures that your ingredients melt evenly and maintain their beneficial properties. Measure carefully and grind your pigments for a smooth finish. Precision is key to achieving a professional-looking product. Test your lipstick on your skin before applying it to your lips. This helps you see the true color and texture. I hope you enjoyed this DIY lipstick journey. Creating your own cosmetics can be a fulfilling and empowering experience. It's amazing what you can create with a few simple ingredients. The possibilities are endless when you take control of the process. So go ahead, unleash your inner artist, and create your own signature lipstick shades. The world of DIY cosmetics is waiting for you to explore. Okay, be honest, would you wear this shade? Let me know in the comments. And if you love beauty DIYs and fun experiments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Glowenvy creations. See you in the next one.